Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I thought that since Diwali is coming up this weekend, I would share a quick little overview on how to make pera. Now I shared this recipe a while ago on my channel. I went very in-depth and step-by-step, but I also wanted to show you guys the way that my Aunty Chitra makes her pera. She makes it just a little bit different from mine, so I'm going to show you guys today along with her how she puts it together. So let's get into this video. Alright guys, so we're starting off with the pera. Aunty Chitra put the milk in the pot already, and she's putting the sugar in the can. So basically the measurement for the pera is 1 can of milk to 1 can of sugar. All you have to do is dump it in the can and that's your easy measurement right there. So once she gets that last bit of sugar in here, we're just going to stir it up and keep on stirring until it's nice and thick, and we can roll them into balls. So the pera mixture has been boiling for about 20 minutes at this point, and as you guys can see, it's getting really thick. Aunty Chitra actually switched to a metal spoon. You can also use a wooden spoon if you wanted to. It might be easy for you just depending on how you like to stir your pot. But she's going to keep on stirring, and how much longer do you think it has?
Another 20.
Another 20 minutes until it gets a little harder. So Aunty Chitra has a couple of tips for you guys. The first tip here is once you see that the pera starts to get nice and thick like this and it's glossy, and as you guys can see it's leaving the sides of the pot a little bit, you can drop just a little bit in a bowl of cold water and see how it's forming. So if it forms like this and it's in a soft ball stage, then you know it's done. And also she recommends using a ice cream scoop, so this way you can scoop it out instead of burning your hands and trying to roll them out like the traditional method is used. But this is for the most part done, and we'll just show you guys how we roll them out. Now once you see that your pera gets thick in the pot and you drop a little bit in the water and it forms into a ball, you can start to scoop it out onto a piece of parchment paper that you have lightly greased. Now, once you put it onto the parchment paper and it starts to harden up just a little bit, you can go back in with your hands after it cools off a bit, and you can start to roll them up, and then you'll have your pera ready to serve.
And you don't have to make them this size. You can make them smaller.
Yeah, you can make them as small or as big.
But who likes a small piece of pera? Nobody. And once you've scooped out all of your peras onto the parchment paper and they've cooled down a bit, you can go ahead and dip your hands in some cold water and you can roll them up until they form into balls. Now they don't have to be perfect, they don't have to be super smooth, they're going to be delicious regardless. So if you guys enjoyed this recipe today, I hope you guys give it a try for this Diwali or literally any time. And if you enjoyed, don't forget to give the video a nice big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, come on over and join the Matthew's Chinese Cooking family and keep leaving those amazing comments down below.